Hi, my name is David Lopez with MediaCentric. I am the founder and president of MediaCentric. We are at InfoComm 18 right now on Wednesday, the opening of the show, and we are in the North Hall, booth 1077. MediaCentric is an 18-year-old labor services company. We provide professional labor services to integrators, distributors, and manufacturers. We provide the physical installation work, the design and engineering as needed, commissioning services, and programming services. And we have recently launched a franchising business. We've taken what we've done well over 18 years and we packaged it up into a franchise system so that we can create a national network of owner-operators that do what we have done for 18 years successfully. And we are now going to provide these services to everyone nationwide. And we are very excited about this, and we're looking forward to talking with everybody here at InfoComm 18. Our website is MediaCentric.net. www.mediacentric.net. Thank you.